Hi everyone, Dest here, also known as Perler Madness. In this video I'm making 8 regional bird Pokemon, merged in one big sprite. The birds are Pidgey, Hootoots, Taillow, Starly, Pidove, Fledgling, Pikipek and Rookidee. Special shout out to my friend and co-worker Mizorian, who I made this sprite for as a birthday gift. He really wanted to have these, so there you go. I hope you'll enjoy the rest of the video and I will be back with more really soon.